Glossy. I'm glossy. What's going on, Fireflies? It's me, Neon MUA, and I'm back for another video, you guys. Did ya miss me? Probably not, but it's cool. So today I'm excited to bring you guys another edition of the Color Spectrum series. As many of you may or may not know, I started a series on my channel called the Color Spectrum series, where I will be playing around with different looks and colors just to help get myself out of my comfort zone and try out some new things, new techniques, and see where it goes. In case you missed the last one, there will be a link for that video right here, so you can see the first edition of the Color Spectrum series, which was red, and the style that So in today's video, the color is going to be orange. The style is going to be based off of a minimalist, sleek runway look mixed with a little bit of K-beauty. I'm excited about this series. I have a lot of great looks planned for it, so I hope this series continues to grow and you guys get to see me do a lot of fun new things. Before we begin, as always, you guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, like and support this video. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. I upload videos twice a week, so you want to make sure that you don't miss that, because more Spectrum series videos will be coming in the future, and it will be coming more frequently. So you want to make sure you're already clicking and getting notifications. You know. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is Neon MUA on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, as well as Lionheart555 on Snapchat. All right, you guys, without further ado, we're going to get right into this Color Spectrum series video. Orange. Let's go.